Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Ohio. So, first, we're currently here at Asable's page where you can see four easy steps in getting your Ohio driver's license. So, first, you may want to get your learner's permit. And here are the requirements for you to be eligible for TIPIC or the learner's permit. So first, you must be at least 15 years and 6 months old. And next, you're going to need to head to your local Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles office to take a vision test. Just click on this link, and from this page, you can see a map with searchable directory of the locations where you can go to. And from there, you're going to need to pass a 40 question knowledge exam made up of multiple choice questions. Then, within 60 days of passing the exam, go to a deputy registrar license agency to get your permit. Then next is you're going to need to complete a driver's education course. And to do that in a new tab, just head over to aceable.com, hover your mouse on driving, then click on driver's ed, and from here, of course, choose Ohio. And you're going to need to enroll this course. The regular price is $90, but it is currently on sale at $59. And all you have to do is click on the Enroll Now button. So you have an option to claim this with promo. You can also avail add ons. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the necessary information in creating your account and also add in your payment details. And of course, make sure that you read and agree the terms and conditions. Then just proceed with the payment. Next is you're going to need to go through practice driving. You're going to need 8 hours of drive time in a driver's ed program and 50 hours of supervised training. 10 hours must be at night. And once you pass the final Ohio Driver's Ed exam and complete the behind the wheel training, you'll then receive a certificate of completion to present to the PMV office. And also a reminder that when you go to get your license, you're going to need to bring forms that prove your identity. So just click on this link. And from this page, you can see the forms that you're going to need to bring with you. And once you pass the test, you're going to need to also pay the fee, and then you'll get your probationary license. You'll hold this probationary license with restricted driving privileges until you're 18 years old. So it is the PMV that issues the learner permits and driver licenses. This is also where new drivers take the permit and driving test. And all you have to do is find the nearest Ohio BMV office location to start getting your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!